Here we have the product of two square roots. So one thing we could do is multiply them together under a single square root symbol. So we'd have 10 times x squared times 2 times x cubed. That will give us the square root of 20x, adding exponents 2 plus 3 is 5, 20x to the fifth. From there, we could break that down and say that 20 is 4 times 5, and I'm choosing that because 4 is a perfect square. And we could say x to the fifth is x to the fourth, which is a perfect square because it's an even exponent, times the 1x that is left over. And that would allow us to break this down into the square root of 4 times the square root of x to the fourth times the square root. We'll leave the 5 and the x, which are not perfect squares, together under one square root symbol. Because the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of x to the fourth, well, we take that exponent and divide by 2 to get the square root, and that leaves us x squared. And then we have a 5 and an x left under the square root symbol for 2x squared times the square root of 5x.